Let's take a look at how to use the array modifier in Blender. First, let's create a sphere. Change the shading to smooth. Next, enable the snap function. Select increments from the drop-down and check the absolute grid snap box. Now, press G to move the object and press X to select the axis. Now click Ctrl and A, select Apply all transformations from the drop-down. Next, create an empty object to offset the sphere. Select the sphere and go to the Modifier tab. Choose Array Modifier from the list. Uncheck the Relative Offset option. Since we want to duplicate and rotate the objects 360 degrees, we are going to first increase the fixed count to about 10. Check the Object Offset option and select the empty object that we created earlier from the drop-down. Next, select the empty object and press R to rotate and press Z to select the axis. Let's select a rotation of 36 degrees as we selected 10 objects in the fixed count. 10 multiplied by 36 gives us 360 degrees or a full rotation. Before applying the modifier, you can adjust the scale or the position of the objects. To do that, go into the Edit mode, press S to scale, or press G to move them closer to each other. Click Apply once you have made the changes and we are done. We can choose to either keep the empty object or delete it after the application. You can use the same technique using different shapes to achieve similar results. That's it for this tutorial, thanks for watching.